Is there a right way to stack silver? Should you only buy American Silver Eagles, or only junk silver, or only 4/9 fine silver? Today I'm breaking down exactly how I stack silver, why I stack this way, and the long-term silver strategy I follow in 2026. And no, it's probably not what you think. Hey stackers, Troy Ounce here. This is my personal silver stacking philosophy broken down into 6 key points and a takeaway. But more importantly, this is the mindset that keeps me consistent whether silver's at $20 per troy ounce or $100. Point number 1, there is no perfect silver stack. One of the biggest mistakes new silver stackers make is thinking there's a correct way to stack. Newsflash, there isn't. Silver stacking is personal. Your budget, your goals, your timeline, your risk tolerance, this is all personal criteria. Some people stack for short-term flipping, some stack for wealth preservation, some stack for generational transfer. I personally stack for long-term asset diversification and for my heirs. Point number 2, I buy deals, not hype. I rarely pay full price for silver. I try to stack silver when it's on sale, when premiums drop, when I find opportunities. That means I stack call silver like American Silver Eagles. I'll go to the secondary market rounds and bars. Sometimes I'll stack 35% silver nickels, 40% silver Ikes and Kennedys. Sometimes it's 90% junk silver of all types. I'll stack 3/9 fine and 4/9 fine, all of these types. If the deal makes sense, I buy it. If it's hype driven with crazy premiums, I usually pass and find something else. I try not to be in a hurry because I could make a dumb decision, and I've made my share in the past, and one I think not too long ago. Point number 3, I like the dollar cost average versus trying to time the market. Do I try to buy silver on dips? Well, yeah, but I don't sit frozen waiting for the perfect price. I buy it weekly, monthly, whenever my funds allow. Again, it doesn't matter. I'll buy 1 ounce, 10 ounces, sometimes just a single coin, even a 90% silver quarter at one time. In my opinion, it's consistency. Consistency beats perfection. I buy here a little, there a little. Consistency is the key. Point number 4, I buy variety over obsession. Some stackers focus only on one product. For instance, they might buy American Silver Eagles only, or 10-ounce bars, or junk silver. And that's okay, but obsession is not for me. Me, what do? It's variety. I got stacking ADD. I'm all over the place. I like variety. From junk silver to BU bullion, from constitutional silver to 4/9 fine silver, from cull coins to beautiful modern rounds. Why? The availability. I like being flexible, the flexibility, the education. I like learning about it all. And honestly, the enjoyment. I enjoy a variety of different types of silver. It's all beautiful and interesting, and each type is beautiful in its own way. Point number 5, I don't stack numismatics. I personally avoid high premium numismatic coins, not because they're bad, and if you collect them, that's cool. I really think that's great. In fact, I love them. It's just not for me, because my goal is ounces of silver. I want the most silver that my dollar can buy, not a little silver for the most dollars. That's just my strategy. The most weight for the least dollars. Point number 6, I don't sell my silver. I haven't sold a single ounce of silver yet, not because I never will, but because I'm still building, I'm still accumulating, I'm collecting silver, I'm piling it up. For me, my strategy is long-term wealth preservation. At some point, maybe I might try to sell some or trade some, but so far, I haven't had the need or desire yet. Now, so what's the takeaway? It's this: stack silver your way. Don't copy YouTubers verbatim because their strategy might not be the best for you. Don't chase hype. Don't obsess over perfection. Ask yourself these questions. Why do you stack silver? What do you want to stack? Write it down. Build a stack that matches your goals, because in the end, silver stacking isn't about being right. It's about being consistent. Stacking here a little, there a little. If you haven't already, create your own stacking philosophy or strategy. And remember, you can change it as you go. It's not necessarily set in stone. Do it your way. Do it the way you want to. And if you already have one, that is a silver stacking philosophy or strategy, then my question is, if you had to describe your stacking strategy in one sentence, what would it be? Comment below. Let me know. I read every single comment and I always learn something new. You guys are great. I love the comments. I appreciate you guys. This is Troy Ounce, the Silver Stacker. See you on the flip side.